These two and these two can cancel each other out. So 1 over 2 times 2 is just 1. So 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. But this answer is not correct. Here in this expression we have this division and this multiplication. As we know, division and multiplication have equal priority and we work from left to right. So we first do this division and then this multiplication. 6 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change the division to the multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So according to this rule, 6 divided by 1 over 2 can be written as 6 times 2 and again times 2. And here we work from left to right. 6 times 2 gives us 12, and 12 times 2 equals 24. So our final answer to this problem is 24.